Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to open recovery mode on this laptop. First, I will show you how to find the recovery keys for your laptop, just in case it gets locked by a BitLocker, and then I'm gonna show you two ways of how you can enter recovery mode on this device. So to begin, let me switch to a different device in order to show you how to access your recovery keys easily. To access your recovery keys and avoid getting your PC blocked by a BitLocker, open your web browser, then go to the search engine and search for aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Use this address in your path field. Here you're gonna have to sign into your Microsoft account that is linked to your laptop. First, enter your email and click Next. Then select User Password and use your password to enter this account. Then, to verify your identity, you're gonna have to receive a code on your email or your phone by clicking this option right here. Then enter the code that you received into this field. Once you enter the code, press enter to verify. And on the following page, you're gonna see a table with the list of recovery keys in the middle column. You can find the recovery keys that matches your laptop either by device name or key upload date, if you know your device name or you know the date when you last set up the date of your last Windows account setup on your computer. If you don't know neither of these, don't worry, you still got the key ID, which is the most important column. In case your device gets locked by a BitLocker, you'll see the key ID on your screen and you'll easily find the matching recovery key by your key ID. Then just to unlock your device, you're gonna have to enter the recovery key into the field that you're gonna see on the screen. Okay, so right now let me switch to the laptop and show you the ways to open the recovery mode. So the first way to open the recovery mode is by selecting the start menu, then going to the power options. Now you're gonna have to hold down the right shift button and click restart. Then keep holding your right shift button until you see the Dell logo on your screen and the please wait sign underneath it. Okay, let's wait. And now you can release the right shift button and just wait until your device opens recovery mode. Here you can navigate with your touchpad. Alternatively, you can use arrow keys to navigate, backspace to go back, and enter to proceed. Right now, I'm gonna select turn off this PC option in order to show you the second way to enter the recovery mode. Now, the second way to open recovery mode is by force restarting your PC several times. So basically what you have to do is press the power button once to power your PC on, then wait until the Dell logo appears on your screen and hold down the power key to turn your device off. Repeat the process once again. Wait until the Dell logo appears on your screen and then hold down the power key once again to turn off your device. And then for the third attempt, usually you will see the preparing automatic repair sign underneath your Dell logo. So let's turn on this PC and wait if something happens. Okay, let's try to restart the computer once again. So hold down the power button once again and let's wait until the device shuts down. And then let's try to do that once again and see if it works this time. Okay, so the system scan began. Now let's press escape button to exit the diagnostic process. Now let's wait and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, nothing happens, so let's try to turn off the device once again. And then turn it on. Okay, and right now, let's just wait until the recovery mode appears on your screen. And as you can see, the BitLocker got triggered. Now, what you have to do is check this key ID in the table that I showed you before, and find the matching recovery key and enter it into this field. Once you enter your recovery key, press enter to continue and wait until the recovery mode opens on your screen. At this point, navigate to Advanced Options and select this option. And as you can see, we are back in the recovery mode. Now I'm just gonna click continue and proceed by entering Windows. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.